Hola amigos, welcome back to the channel. This is Nadinar and today I will be showing you basic introduction and functions and how to use a digital multimeter. So let's begin. So guys, welcome back to the show. Today I will be showing you the basic use of a digital multimeter. This is a Fluke 115 True RMS multimeter. This is an expensive model, especially for the professionals. And we have a basic multimeter, this Kusam Miko 2790 model. This is a clamp meter, also called a tongue tester. We check the ampere from here, the wire goes here. This also has all the functions, but basic functions. So first let's take a look at the Fluke. So these are the probes, positive, negative. Black is negative, red is positive. What are the functions that we get? First, the off. This is the hold button. When you are checking a voltage or something value, you can hold it for the reference. This is minimum maximum range setting. This is also range. This is selections. This is backlight LED light for dim areas. Now we have AC voltage. This also has the hertz function. You press this and it goes to hertz. And this is the DC. The DC has maximum 600 volt range and the AC has 750 volt range. This is the millivolt. This is default in auto AC and DC selection, or we can select this to be in only DC. This is ohms. This has maximum 60 mega ohms range. Now continuity. This is diode. This also has a capacitance. When we select this, it goes into capacitance mode. We can check up to 10,000 microfarad. And this is the AC ampere meter. Change the probe from this to here. See, it shows an indication of lead, that you have to change the lead. And it is in auto mode, AC or DC ampere, and we can select this hertz frequency. We can also check the frequency of the ampere, and this is DC ampere only. So that's all for this. Now let me show you how to check a capacitor. First we select this. This is a capacitor, 470 microfarad, 35 volt. I hope you can see it. Now let's check. The positive goes to the positive, the negative goes to the negative. And guys, be sure to discharge the capacitor before testing, otherwise it can damage the multimeter. Oh, sorry, we have to change the probe. For 94 microfarad it is showing, and it is a 470 microfarad capacitor. That's okay. Now I will show you how to test a rectifier. This is a 3-phase rectifier. Sandrex make. See, you can see the diagram here. It has total of 6 diodes. And this is the positive. I don't know if you can see it. RST. Okay. Now we will put the negative probe in the positive. Reverse check. We have to check the reverse. This is the positive point, so we put the negative probe and check. See, it is short. It is short. It is okay. So it's showing a value. It should show between 0.3, 0.2 to 0.5. Below that and above that is faulty. Now we put the positive probe in the negative section, then do the same. It is showing okay. It's also showing okay. It's also showing okay. So from the negative side, all the 3 diodes are okay. From the positive sides, 2 diodes are short. That's how we check the rectifier. Now let me show you an Igbt. This is a UPEC Igbt 15 ampere, and this is an only Igbt module. This doesn't have a rectifier built in. These are the gates. This is the positive, U, V, W, and negative. So we put the negative probe in the positive set point. It's showing a value. And from the negative to positive to negative, it should show about 0.5. So it is showing 0.705. That's okay. Now we do the same thing like that. Rectifier. Put the positive, the negative, then check. That is okay. And we can check the gate with the multimeter. We need a CRO or a proper test kit for that. And the test kit I will show you in my next video. See, there is no open. You can only check for shortings. Otherwise it will show open. For now we assume it is okay. Now let me show you the Miko multimeter. This is the Kusa Miko clamp meter, or we can call it tongue tester. See what functions. Let's see what functions this has. This is 20 ampere, 200 ampere, 600 ampere AC only. This has no DC ampere. 200 volt and 750 volt AC. And this is a dedicated hertz button where we can check the hertz. This is 1000 volt DC. This has up to 1000 volt DC. So 200 volt, 200 kilo ohms. This has only up to 200 kilo ohms. 200 ohms. This is the diode and continuity. There is no selection button. It is auto setting. So that's all guys for today's episode. See you in my next video. Take care guys. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.